Probably pain or an unnatural look.
For anyone who's worried about pain during the treatment, I would just tell them that the small amount of pain involved in this procedure is well worth the results.
I wouldn't use the word hurt for the treatments. It didn't tickle, but it was very bearable.
I expected it to feel like a horrible bee sting, and it didn't.
Restylane products are injected directly into the skin in small amounts by an ultrafine needle. As with all injections, some patients may experience discomfort. To increase your comfort, your doctor will assess your need for pain management and determine what technique is right for you. Here are some important safety considerations you will want to keep in mind regarding Restylane and Perlane. After treatment with either product, you might have some swelling, redness, pain, bruising, and tenderness. This will normally last less than 7 days. Although rare, red or swollen small bumps may occur. If you have had facial cold sores before, an injection can cause another outbreak. In rare circumstances, the doctor may inject into a blood vessel, which can damage the skin. To avoid bruising and bleeding, you should not use Restylane or Perlane if you have recently used drugs that thin your blood or prevent clotting. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or under 18, you should not use Restylane or Perlane. These products should not be used by people with previous bad allergies, particularly to certain microorganisms known as gram-positive bacteria, by people with previous bad allergies to drugs that have required in-hospital treatment, or by people with bleeding disorders. Restylane or Perlane should not be injected anywhere except the skin or just under the skin. The use of Restylane or Perlane at the site of skin sores, pimples, rashes, hives, cysts, or infection should be postponed until healing is complete. Use of Restylane or Perlane in these instances could delay healing or make your skin problems worse. Restylane and Perlane are available only through a licensed practitioner. For complete product and safety information, visit RestylaneUSA.com. Before treatment, the area should be thoroughly cleaned with alcohol or some other appropriate antiseptic. The crystal clear gel is injected into the skin below a wrinkle with an ultrafine needle. Multiple injections may be required. When the injection is completed, the treated area may be massaged so that it blends smoothly with surrounding tissues. The number of syringes you need will depend on the depth of the wrinkle or fold and other considerations. To give you a better idea of what may be required, look at these patients and see if you can find wrinkles like yours. In each case, you can see how effective one or more syringes were. This woman had the lines from her nose to the corners of her mouth, known as nasolabial folds, corrected with Restylane. This was how she looked before Restylane. This is how she looked after. This woman also had her nasolabial folds corrected with Restylane. This was how she looked before. Here are her results. This woman had her nasolabial folds corrected with Perlane. This was how she looked before treatment. This is how she looked after Perlane treatment. How long the aesthetic correction lasts is very individual. Talk to your doctor about the benefits of scheduling a follow-up appointment in about 6 months. Visit RestylaneUSA.com for complete product information about Restylane and Perlane. You can also sign up for newsletters and our popular rewards program, Restylane Rewards. As a Restylane Rewards member, treatment qualifies you for rewards that make attaining your aesthetic goals more affordable than ever. Now that you have the answers to some important questions, why wait? Restylane and Perlane are safe and effective. The procedure can be done without delay, and the effects are immediate. If you want to enjoy a smoother, more youthful appearance, ask your doctor if Restylane or Perlane is right for you.
Recently, I've been getting acquainted with a gentleman who is a bit older than me, and he expressed concern that he was, quite a bit older and concerned about the age difference. And I said, well, how old do you think I am? And he said, well, between 38 and 40. And I just laughed because he was about 10 years off. I didn't correct him either.
Restylane and Perlane are brought to you by Medisys Aesthetics, a company dedicated to helping patients attain a healthy and youthful appearance and self-image. Who could be better to bring you the world market-leading family of dermal restorative products, Restylane?